birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish!
Mariel Padilla masayang ipinagdiwang ang kanyang kaarawan kasama ang buong pamilya. Nitong Linggo August 10 ay nag-celebrate ng kanyang ika-41st birthday ang aktres at celebrity mom na si Mariel Padilla. Isang intimate dinner birthday celebration ang naganap at kanilang pinagsaluhang buong pamilya sa isang sikat at kilalang resto. Mula sa official Instagram account ni Mariel Padilla ay kanyang ibinahagi sa publiko ang mga larawan at video ng mga kaganapan sa kanyang masayang dinner birthday celebration. Sa mga larawan at bidyong naibahagi ay makikita na bukod sa kanyang mister na si Robin Padilla at sa kanilang mga anak ay present din sa kanyang kaarawan ang kanyang biyenan na si Mommy Eva at si Kylie Padilla na isa sa mga anak ni Robin Padilla na talagang super close sa kanya. Kalakip ang mga larawan at videos ay sinabi naman ni Mariel Padilla sa kanyang naging caption na hindi na dapat siya maghahanda dahil mag-celebrate naman sila ng kanyang birthday sa Disneyland. Talaga umanong makulit at super sweet lang ng kanyang mister na si Robin dahil hindi pumayag ito na hindi gawing special at memorable ang kanyang birthday. Narito ang kanyang naging buong caption, aniya. 41. Initially I didn't want to celebrate because I will have my celebration with my family in Disneyland, but my ever-thoughtful husband insisted. Thank you to everyone who made me feel extra special on my birthday.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish!
Yay! Do you want to blow it? Do you want to blow it, love? Yeah, blow it, love.
Sorry, sila ka.
Okay, baby. Yay! There's another. Hi, it's Monday. I just celebrated my birthday yesterday, so I ate so much, and I'm back at Marie France, and I'm going to do this treatment. It's called Axon. This machine is equivalent to 3 hours in the gym. Yay! Have a great week. So 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
8, 8, 8 sticks. 2, 2, 2, 2 of that very
Very
character.
good.
7, 8, 9 of
Very
that
good,
one. And a pair.